Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to demystify the world of option trading. If you've ever wondered, what is option trading? You're in the right place. We'll break it down into easy-to-understand terms. What are options? Option trading involves financial contracts called options. These contracts give you the choice, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a specific price, known as the strike price, on or before a predetermined date, known as the expiration date. Call options. Let's start with call options. Think of them as a ticket to buy an asset at the strike price in the future. If the asset's price rises above the strike price, you can buy it at the lower strike price, making a profit. Put options. Now, put options are like an insurance policy. They give you the right to sell an asset at the strike price. If the asset's price falls below the strike price, you can sell it at the higher strike price, protecting your investment. How do they work? Options are traded in financial markets, just like stocks. Their prices depend on factors like the asset's current price, volatility, time until expiration, and interest rates. You can buy and sell options to profit from price movements. Key terminology. Before you dive in, it's essential to understand terms like premiums, the cost of options, strike prices, and expiration dates. These terms are fundamental to grasp the mechanics of option trading. Common strategies. Traders use various strategies like covered calls, protective puts, and straddles to make the most of options. These strategies help manage risk and maximize returns. Bonus point. Now, for the bonus tip, before you start trading options, educate yourself thoroughly. Use reliable sources and take advantage of educational materials from trading platforms. Knowledge is your greatest asset in option trading. In summary, option trading offers flexibility and opportunities for profit or risk management. However, it's vital to approach it with caution and understand the fundamentals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!